Sister Yasmin from the USA, the child who's 2.5 years old, and that's why they didn't have to ask a boy or a girl, because already the child at this age finished the weaning age and is fed with regular food sometimes. So in this case, any urine that comes out of this child is impure the same way like an adult. Exactly. Once the child relies entirely on the food, even a baby boy, then the urine is najis. So urinating on the sofa, on the couch, on the bed, this is impure. Impure in a sense, I cannot pray against that. If it is still wet and I sat on it and it wet my clothes, then my clothes become impure as well. And I cannot pray or offer my prayer while in this case of impurity. So you have to wash them thoroughly with water, like you washed for excuse me, like you have to wash the urine and the impurities of the adults.